In the module Weather Forecasting, students learn about the state of the atmosphere at a given time and place with respect to temperature, type and amount of clouds, air pressure, speed and direction of wind, the amount of moisture in the air, and so on. Students also investigate weather changes in a given area due to daily and annual cycles. Students discover that temperature changes over land and water because the sun heats some parts of the Earth's surface more than others. These differences in temperatures cause air to move constantly. Air travels in masses that often cover hundreds or thousands of square kilometers. A front is a boundary where different air masses collide. When this happens, weather changes. Warm air is less dense and therefore lighter than cool air, so it rises. Cooler air, which is denser and heavier, then sinks to take its place. This process is known as convection. When the water vapor that is carried in warm air meets cooler air, it changes from a gas to a liquid in a process called condensation. Therefore, when warm and cool air meet, rain is often produced. In this module, students learn that a weather forecast is a prediction of the weather conditions for a given area and for a given time period. Meteorologists, or scientists who study weather, continuously monitor the temperature, amount of rainfall, and hours of sunshine, and collect data to help them formulate a forecast. Students explore weather forecasting with 12 hands-on activities and the Delta Science Reader. Students first build weather stations that are the headquarters of their unit work. They then fill the station with temperature, rainfall, and wind data. Students also add barometric pressure and relate it to weather conditions, plot fronts and other large-scale factors on weather maps, differentiate cloud formations, and research weather folklore. In creating and maintaining a weather station, students discover the importance of accurate weather forecasting and record keeping. Through video, students delve into severe weather for which forecasting is especially valuable. In the Delta Science Reader Weather Forecasting, students are introduced to the world of weather forecasting and the data, instruments, and science that make forecasting accurate. Students read about the 6 weather factors: temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, and cloudiness, as well as the difference between weather and climate. The reader also contains a biographical sketch of tornado expert Tetsuya Theodore Fujita. Students are introduced to 2 other kinds of weather scientists, climatologists and hurricane hunters. Finally, students learn about different types of winds and how a weather satellite works.